Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. Alright, we're looking at a Ford F150 2011 Ford F150 spark plug replacement, 5.0 liter. If you look under the hood and this looks like your vehicle, it's going to work for you. It should be pretty easy. 4 spark plugs and 4 coils on each side. Lift that tab up, push that down. You can also reach in here for that black piece and you can pull up on it with a small screwdriver. Get a little hook in there or something and pull it up. It'll be the same for all of them. And then a 8mm or 5/16 bolt for the coil. All bolts and spark plugs are left to loosen, that's counterclockwise, and right to tighten, that's clockwise. Do a little twist and pull it out. There's a little bit of debris here. If you have some air, you can go ahead and blow these all clean so no debris falls in the spark plug hole. If you have any misfiring or anything like that, you want to maybe look for some black tracks on the inside. It'll look like a black pen in there. Looks pretty clean and nice. There were no issues with this. We're just doing a maintenance tune-up, replacing the plugs. And we'll just break it loose. I'm using a spark plug socket and a swivel, a ratchet. Actually already broke it loose and took it out, but nothing to it. Spin it. Take it out. There's a spark plug. There's a rubber boot inside here to hold the spark plug in place. That is removing your spark plug. We'll get to installing a new one. Here's our spark plug, a new spark plug. They want a gap of 0.049 to 0.053. Got our gapper here, we can check it. Looks a little bit on the small side. We can open the gap up. Give a little pull. A little more. Getting pretty close. That's pretty good. And if you need to shorten it, you can tap it on a hard surface, not plastic, on a hard metal surface, cement surface maybe. Want to be careful of the iridium or platinum tip though. If you do damage to it, you can shorten the life of the plug. So there we go, gapped. Ford torque for this is 9 foot-pounds. So this is a tapered spark plug, not a gasket, it's tapered. So the box says they want a 1/16 of a turn if it's tapered after finger tight. That's not very much. If you want to buy some, you can buy something called a dielectric grease. Put a little bit on the end there. Prevents moisture buildup and contamination damage to electrical connections. Creates a non-conductive encapsulating physical barrier between the electrical connection and the surrounding area. This needs to snap into place. It hasn't snapped down yet. Feels pretty firm. Oh, there we go. Click. You can probably torque this down to like 89 inch-pounds or something like that. Just snug it down. Do the same for all the rest. Should be really no interference on either side for you to worry about. And that's it. Do the same for the others. 2011 Ford F-150. .0 liter engine, spark plug replacement. You can do it. Good luck to you.